Okay, so now we are gonna discuss in this video how to trade on zerodha and various type of platforms. So I'm gonna talk you about the basic things of the how the price movement is coming or not. Let's go on the chart. Okay, so we have the first chart is of Adani Enterprises. The point is that first we look on the time frame, whichever time frame we are using to trade. In the intraday, people use 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour, but the ideal time frame we recommend is a 15 minute or 5 minutes. Let us have a look on this candle. First you need to study the total anatomy of a candle. This is a green candle, this is the opening price, this is a closing price, this is a high and this is a low. These lines are called wick and this rectangle shape is called the body of a candle. The candle price is 2381.95, means it is trading on this price. Just a 5 minute below it was trading on 2375.95. So in the 5 minutes the price of the stock has moved from 2375 to 2381, which is nearly like 5 or 6 rupees. So let us go to the zerodha platform and see how we can trade actually. Okay, I have hidden this information and you can see my performance of my investment stocks. You can see the return in the percentages, which is I think quite good. Okay, so we will search for Adani Enterprises. Adani ENT. You should look for NSE. See NSE here. Now if you want to buy a stock, we'll click on the buy. So this is a basic type of window which pop-ups when you buy a particular stock. We will go in the intraday because the market is closed today, so it is saying that market is in closure today. Okay, so if you can decide whatever quantity you want to buy, this is a 1 quantity, 2 quantity, 3 quantity or 5 quantity, anything. The price is 2376 and the margin is always 5x times. 5x times means the margin will not show here because it is a holiday day, but when on the trading day you will observe 5x means you can buy a one single stock of Adani ENT on rupees. If we divide 2376 by 5, it will be nearly like 400. So in the 400 rupees you can buy a stock of Adani ENT if you buy it on intraday, and if you go for the long term, which is called CNC, cash and carry, if you click on this, then there will be no margin. Okay, so for the long term you can hold it like for any period of time, and intraday you buy it. There are two types of orders, limit order and buy order. If you click on the market order and buy, then it will buy at the price which the stock is moving currently, and if you click on the limit order, you place the price, the desirable price you want it to buy, then it will buy when the stocks crosses the particular point of price. There are two types of SL as well, SL and SLM. SL is normal SL, trigger price and normal price. Trigger price must be lower than price because lower or higher, it depends upon certain situations. We will discuss this on the next video. Cover order, AMO order, iceberg order, these are not meant to be for the beginner trader. So this is a basically buy idea. And if we go to like how to sell, okay, where was it? We will search it again. Okay, now sell is the same thing. Intraday long term quantity you can increase. Look, it is also margin is now showing 475, 5x times of leverage. you can take it in the intraday, and for the long term you don't have any type of leverage. The charges are also shown there. These are the market order and limit order, that's SL and SLM. Okay, so this was an basic idea that how you would buy or sell a stock at a desirable price. Now we will talk about some tools which I preferably use. Like for example, let me show you. If I draw a trend line from here itself, okay, this is a trend line. Wait, this is a trend line. Okay, this is a proper retest. It is a confirmation. Now at the high of this green candle, I use this. This is a tool used for defining the risk and reward ratio in which trade you are entering. So this is a high. This is a high of this green candle, which is 2361.05. Look at this, 2361, and my risk is just below this trend line and the wick, which is 2356, approximately like 5 rupees. And target we should like 1:2 is more than enough, like 13 rupees or 10 rupees. The target is this. Look at this window. This has consequent value of 2374. The RR, risk reward ratio here, 2.81, 1 is to 3 approximately. This is the type of tool we should use. And one tool I oftenly use is this, the price range. It calculates how much there is a price range. Okay, the bars and all that. This tool is used in the further mapping of a structure. I'll discuss this later on. And yes, there is pretty much to it. This is the circle tool and this is a call out tool. Yes, one more specifically designed tool is a magnet tool. Magnet tool comes in handy when you want to know the exact opening, closing, high or low. Let us suppose this is the low of this candle. If you draw a structure from any point of candle, then the magnet tool will help to measure the structure from the particular wick exactly. Look how it is sticking to the particular wick, and that is what we need to measure the exact value, because we need the exact value in some cases when we are handling with the advanced patterns like ABCD pattern. In the ABCD pattern we need to calculate the particular perfect values like different Fibonacci ratios, and all we will discuss in the later topics. But this is a magnet tool. Remember, this is a very important tool. And that's it for the today. Tune in for the more.